Hello students, so we are here with some of the important verbs which I'll be keeping on giving to you till the end of the class. So few TD rule today. Last time we had done normal rules. So few TD rule today. So in the TD rule, these are few verbs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are few TD rule verbs. You have already seen the TD rule, how to apply the TD rule. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video first and then come and apply that rule over here. So the pronunciations will go through it. Finden, finden, bilden, beantworten, verbinden, kosten, bereiten, arbeiten, warten, raten, schneiden, chatten, ordnen. Yeah. So these are few words. I'm repeating again for y'all. When y'all are revising this, try to listen to this video. Go repeat telecast. Okay, so that your pronunciations are clear. Finden, bilden, beantworten, verbinden, yeah, kosten, bereiten, arbeiten, warten, raten, schneiden, chatten, ordnen, okay, bereiten. So these are few vocabularies for the verbs. Now write the meanings. Once you all are done with the pronunciation carefully, then now write the meanings. Finden bedeutet. I think so now you should understand the meaning of bedeuten. I had told you in the previous video. Yeah. Bedeuten means to mean. So instead of saying finden means to find, I will say in German whole sentence. Finden bedeutet to find. Finden bedeutet to find. Bilden bedeutet to build something, okay? Bilden bedeutet to build, to form, like that, to compose. Yeah, it means like that. Beantworten bedeutet to answer. Verbinden bedeutet to combine, to connect. Verbinden, you're connecting something, you're matching something. Kosten bedeutet to cost. Bereiten bedeutet to prepare. Bereiten bedeutet to prepare. Arbeiten bedeutet to work. Warten bedeutet to wait. Raten bedeutet to advise. Schneiden bedeutet to cut something, cut vegetables, cut your finger, yeah, cut fruits. Chatten bedeutet to chat. Ordnen bedeutet to keep the things in order, to bring the things in order. Like sometimes they have some questions and they tell you ordnen Sie, means you have to bring them in order, yeah. So ordnen, to keep a proper word in front of proper thing, to keep it in order. Finden. Now these are TD rules. What are you going to do? As always, take a loose paper. If you have already made, I have already told you this in TD rule when I first taught you the TD rule. You have to take a loose paper. On that loose paper, you have to make a collection of all the TD rules properly. Yeah. So I have also showed you the sample of that in the video of TD rule application. So on the loose paper, collection is very necessary. So please do that and do send it to me, the collections of all the TD rule which you have learned till now, okay, till the date. And later on also, if I am putting any TD rule verbs, always put this TD rule verbs in your collection of the loose papers. Now here one important thing. This is an exceptional case. I have made a star. Ordnen. Now students, ordnen, though en if I cut, this particular word is not ending with the alphabet D or T. Then why the TD rule is applied over here? This is an exceptional case. There are very few words which after cutting en, it ends with N. Yeah, the starting of the word ends with N alphabet. There are very few. You cannot apply this rule to all the words which are ending with N. These are very few which I am going to give you with the span of time. So on that way, today learn by heart that odd N, though it is not ending with T or D, it is supposed to be used TD rule. Yeah, please use TD rule for this and learn this by heart and keep.